Hey there, it's Corey again, this time with parts. We start off with the Corsair AX 1200 power supply. This will be feeding everything. The two 480 GTX video cards, they were really cheap, and I pair them with Danger Den. They are some fierce water blocks, and weight as well, 3 pounds each. So think about that when you're doing your build. Copper's heavy. Here we go. This is my solid state drive as my primary. It's a 240 gig SATA 2, and my secondary drive and main for storage is a 1 terabyte 7200 RPM hard drive. We have an LG, your basic DVD and Blu-ray. This is a limited edition Lamptron 4-way fan controller, and I have the inner plate nickel plated. These are Gnarled Feet by PC Tech. Quite affordable and make your machine look pretty mean. This is the TMS 205 software thermal interface controller by Coolants. I can't say enough about this. It is such an awesome product. The other board itself is a piggyback to the TMS 05. It's the expansion board. These are two flow rate meters that are will be indicating flow rate in and out of my machine. They work in tandem with the 205 motherboard. Here we have a external DC power supply, Molex. It's for testing your water pump before you hook up your power supply. Very recommended picking this up at Dazmode.com. Here we have a Storm D5 Vario. It's a great pump. It's variable speed. Currently my machine is running on speed 2 at 0.8 gallons per minute. These are my PECsupply.com manifolds. 1-inch copper manifolds with half-inch crimp ball valves. 3 valves, half-inch ins, half-inch outs. My EK water block. This was the full copper EK Supreme full copper. Unfortunately, it is now discontinued. This is the EK ASUS Crosshair V Formula Northbridge water block. I got it along with the other one because it matches set so well and it performs extremely well. This is my AMD FX 8150 8-core black box edition. Black edition. Just means it's easily to be overclocked and it will work well with water cooling. The Crosshair V Formula motherboard. Said to be the best. I've read some great reviews. It's holds some records. For AMD standards, I think it's top of the line. G.SKILL makes some great RAM. 2 SIMs of 4 gigs each. Ripjaws series. Phobya G-Changer 360 version 2. Awesome radiator. I can't say anything bad about it, except for when I opened it up. Looked very carefully. The packaging was not destroyed whatsoever. Not damaged in the least. Close the box up very nicely. Take it out. Look it over. And to my amazement, quality control is about 99% there. All the plugs are there, solid, except for the big nasty dent. Definitely didn't happen on the shipping end, so that's one for G.SKILL. It's a great radiator, but you guys got to be careful. On top of that radiator, to move that air, we have 3 Excalibur 120mm case fans. This is the Zalman Reserator 1 version 2 fanless water cooling system. I can't say enough about this. It is such a phenomenal product. This is the 1/4 inch wide U-channel molding I use to protect my edges. The first bottle is Fesser View UV Reactive Dye in blue, and the other two bottles are Dazmode Water Protector. It's carefully formulated chemicals to suppress corrosion and algae and the growth of water cooling. It's a must. This is a 2-part cleaner for cleaning your chipset, CPU and GPU. We'll come to that later. This is Arctic MX4 Cool thermal paste. Pretty much it. A couple things I did not get a chance to record were Fesser tube, 1/2 inch inner diameter, and I got 10 feet for this project, and it was pretty much too little. I should have ordered, I did order another 7 feet, so I used a lot of hose in this project. The other thing I wanted to mention was the 1/2 inch barbs, the 1/2 inch inner diameter barb tubing, black and sparkle. Pretty much nice and nice if you get to see them. Other than that, I hope you get to enjoy the rest of this build. Part 4 coming up. Enjoy.